A direct payment's a way of keeping people in control of their life and empowering them to take control of their circumstances and give them choices about who provides their support and when. There shouldn't be really anything complicated about the conversation. I'll talk to people about whether a PA might be the right thing, employing an agency might be good for them. We're saying to people, you've got the right to choose who's your provider. So if people want to have that choice, we make sure that they get it. Now you need some paid support. So we need to figure out who the best person is to do that. Yeah, so who's the best person to come and support you at home and what that looks like. Now, there's different ways we can do that, okay? So one of the ways we can do that is we can ask the local authority's brokerage service to identify an agency, okay? And they'll send somebody in, okay? So we figure that you need half an hour most days in the week to plan your day, yeah? But the other way we can do it is that you can have more choice about who comes in to provide your support.
So I can choose who I can get my care from?
Absolutely, yeah, that's the whole point of doing it this way, because there's all sorts of different agencies in the locality around here, some which you might be aware of. You know, you might have friends or family that have used agencies before, that might have good reviews or bad reviews, so it might be worth you having a look around and seeing if there's any provider that would be best for you.
Okay.
You could, you know, invite the providers along to have a chat with them and see if there's any that you like more than others. You know, I know that there's certain things that are important to you. So, for example, whoever comes into the house has got to like Luna the dog.
Yes,
you know,
of course, yeah.
Because these are really important things when we ask the provider what we're at, you know, what we want.
Yeah.
You know, some providers might be able to accommodate that, some might not. So we can rule some out straight away and then
that's it, yeah.
And then interview the best ones, perhaps. One of the benefits of doing it this way, or as a direct payment, would be that if you don't use your support on a certain day, for example, I don't know, your mum took you out, or you had a hospital appointment, or you could potentially bank that time.
So if I would cancel a call if I had a hospital appointment, who would I have to contact?
So there'd be no need to call me. It's about you having that relationship with the provider. So it's all about you having that control.
Right.
And I know that your mum and dad have been wanting to go on holiday, haven't they?
Yeah.
So when they go away, they feel very worried about leaving you. So it might be that you could use the bank times for that purpose, so that you've got that security or safety net when they're away.
With direct payments, how does the money side work?
Okay, so this is called direct payments, but that sounds a bit misleading because it's not all about money. It's about the choice and control that you've got. So you've agreed that you'd like the choice and you'd like the control. So we need to figure out how we work the money side of things.
Right.
Ideally, we'd want to give you as much control as possible. And what that means is the money that's allocated to you would be transferred into a bank account in your name, and then you could pay the provider directly. Some people can't manage a bank account, so in those cases, perhaps the local authority will pay the provider of their choice directly. We've got a direct payment support service locally, so I'll introduce you to them and they can help you to take things forward.
Great, thank you.
For me, it's really important that I offer direct payments. It's a no-brainer for me. It's critical that people have choice about who comes in and supports them in their own homes. Using a direct payment can help people build a life.
2 months ago, I wouldn't have been able to get out and join a choir, but now I've had help and it just gives me the confidence to do it by myself again.